Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to lock your Dropbox mobile application. If you want to protect your files on the phone, then you can easily lock your Dropbox mobile app using a passcode. First of all, open up Dropbox app on your device and then from the home page after logging in, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. Inside the account menu, tap on the gear button at the top right. And then under Passcode Lock, tap on Turn Passcode On. Enter a Dropbox passcode, re-enter it once again, and there you have successfully turned on the lock option in Dropbox. Your Dropbox app is now protected. Next time you open up the app, you will need to enter your passcode that you've previously set. This will also add an extra layer of privacy and helps you keep your sensitive files safe on your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.